Welcome to Dr. Roulette. I have the prescription
Sim,
for
é
your
outro João, maninha,
subscription.
mas eu sou eu, né?
Okay, guys, I made a significant increase in
Fogo,
my
temos aqui um dos seus vizinhos.
profits. As you can see
Digam
in the
lá,
bottom left
apostaram nos
corner, I'm
vizinhos
up
mesmo, hein?
$151. So starting
26
with a bankroll
pertencem
of
desse 4 mais 25 a
$500,
29. Nós
and
encontramos
now I
duas.
am up 151. So let's go here. To be honest with you, I've been playing a lot of inside bets, and that's how I got more profit. Right now, I'm just gonna play something for fun, give you guys a break from my regular roulette strategies. I'm gonna be playing this wheel. It's kind of fun to play. I don't like to put too much on it because I'm really new at this game and I don't know what to expect. So just have a little fun here. So I put so I want to get a magic dice, or a 10 would be nice. And of course I cover the 1 because when you play these games, 1 always seems to come out, you know. So this is called Wonderland. It's kind of fun, and they have a lot of different interesting options on this wheel. So let's get a mystery, or what's it called, a magic dice. Oh, the 10, I just missed it. Oh, okay, so did I put money on this here? Oh, yes, I did. I put 25 cents on magic dice, which is not much, but we'll see what I can do with 25 cents here. I don't know how to play this. Pick a dice. Okay, well, I'll take a 58%, says that one, so I did that. So I don't know what this will do. Okay, I really don't know what I'm supposed to do here. I usually don't play these games, but I just wanted to take a break from roulette. Okay. So I'm not sure exactly what I need to do here, but I'm just pressing any button right now. A bit confusing. Okay, so that's a 6. Am I supposed to do something here? Okay, that's a 4. Not exactly sure what I need to do here. Okay, so let's press this button here. All right, nicely done. Okay, so I did win that. All right, so I won $5 just playing 20 cents. So I just put 20 cents on magic dice and I won $5.50. Wow, that's pretty cool. But most of the time it goes to 1, so let's put some money on 1. Did I? Okay, no, I didn't. Okay, so I'll have to wait for the next one. So that's pretty cool. I don't put much stock in these types of games because it's probably one of the worst casino games you can probably play. I'm thinking, but I don't know because I don't know it that well. But usually these big 6 wheels are not very good odds. But I don't know. It's kind of interesting. I mean, I wish I covered the 10. All right, so let's try that again. All right, so let's go. Okay. Not sure. It doesn't seem to be working. Okay, I'm not sure. So let's go back to roulette here. If I can. Okay, so let's go back to roulette. Sorry about that. All right, so back to roulette. 18, 13, 11, 16, and 2. Okay, so I would like to jump on that. But, so now my profit is at $155.50. So hopefully he spins another low number. And he does. All right. So I'm going to take the $5 that I won, and I'm going to go high. And I'm also going to put 50 cents. Oops. Oh, I know. Oops. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. 50 cents on zero. Oh. Okay, so I put $1 on. Whoa, I could have made a huge disastrous mistake there by putting $20 on high. I just wanted to play with the money that I won from that weird wheel machine and see if I can capitalize. And yes, I do. All right, so there's a win. All right, so now I'm up $159 in profit. And let's see what else I can do. Okay, so. Should I play blackjack for fun? No, because I don't know. No, they have $5 minimums. That's a bit too dicey. Let's see. Let's go to here. Okay, 5, 8, 12, and 4. Okay, that's classic. And another 5. Perfect. Wow, things are going my way here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go 2 and 2. And let's cover 50 cents on zero. Let's go 3. See what we can do here. Let's try to increase our profits here. I'm not really following my strategy now. I just wanted to make a more fun video and increase the odds, because I'm up significant. So, I have money. I have money to play with. So let's try to get second and third, or the 0. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. All right, so I got it. That's a 21. All right, so good. All right, so now $162. Very good. So let's continue. I only have a few minutes left before I got to go back to work. Let's see. Okay, so how about here? 9, 24, and okay.
Sorry, calling from Orphan section. Dr. Roulette, welcome. How are you, Mikey? No more bets, good luck, and welcome dear players. Thank you guys for joining this.
Okay, so let's go see. And that's a 12, 9, and 24. Usually I like to wait for 4, but I have money to think here, so I'm going to cover a split here and do 3 and 9. Okay, so let's go see here. See if I can increase my my profit. I would have probably not have covered the 6 and 9 because it already came out twice in the last 12 spins, so probably not going to come out again. Ooh, doctor, but I still picked up the win. Okay, nicely done. And perfect. So now I'm at $164 in profit. I hate when I'm playing and then my girlfriend texts me because it screws up my it screws up my my train of thought, But the worst is if you're using your phone and you're playing, is if someone calls you. If someone calls you, then that really messes you up. Okay, 4, 12, and 9. So let's try to get another low number in the first dozen, and then we'll go second and third. And what is that, 23?
And changing the color.
Okay, so that's 23.
It's 20.
All right, now.
It's high and odd number. Second dozen second column to your section. Congratulations, G and dear players, dear winners.
Anything else I can play? Curious. Let's go back to.
No more bets. Wish
I'm
you
gonna
luck.
play that. That looks weird. Oh, there's a good one. I see a flood of reds here. A sea of reds, I should say. Come on, spin one more red, and let me capitalize. In my next video, I will do hot and cold numbers for you guys because I have a profit, so I have some free money to bet on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reds. So let's take a little chance here. Let's go up 4 and let's cover the 0 and 50 cents on 0.
Apostação acelerada, não se aposta mais. Obrigado, muita boa sorte, galera.
Wow, that's good black. Nicely done.
Não sou cansado.
Nice. Okay, so that's
Nossa
good.
bolinha parou no 8 preto, número pequeno par. Que vai chupar, que vai chupar na 12 coluna 2, com vizinho 11, 30, 23 de 3. A postação ainda é aberta para todos vocês. Obrigado e muito boa sorte.
So I think I'm going to show you guys my hot and cold number strategy. Since I have a little bit of time before I need to go back to work, so I'll just play a bit of hot and cold. So this session has been a lot of fun. It's been a short session and made about $17-18 just in a few minutes here. So let's see if we can pick up another win using hot and cold number strategy. Okay, what is that, a 30? Was that a hot or cold number? Okay, oops. Okay, so let's go ahead here and do 16 and 19 cold, and I'm mixing hot and cold numbers together. Okay, and 7. So I'm basically, I forgot to put the 35. Silly me. Okay, so let's see if I can pick up another win here. If I had time, I would have covered the 35. So in this strategy, I'm basically trying to cover all the hot numbers and all the cold numbers and split them or put a single bet on them, depending on the circumstances. So let's see here. And that is a 24. No, that's not covered. Okay, so let's try that one more time, but this time covering the 35. Okay, so next 16 and 19, 25, 28, 27, 24, 36, 35. We'll cover the 0, and we'll do 14 and 17 as well.
Laica, quando ele chegar, vai chegar. Não posso fazer nada, não posso. Desculpa lá.
All right, so that's a 6. That's another loss.
Nossa bolinha parou no 6 preto.
Okay, so let's try that one more time. Let's just add a bit of mustard here. Okay. All right, so let's just add a bit more. This is hot and cold. You know, the reason why the numbers could keep on coming up and hot is because there could be a bias in the roulette wheel. And the reason why I take cold numbers as well is because whatever's cold must become hot again. Okay, what is that, 18? Okay, so that's a loss. Oh wait, no, that's a win. Well, that's a partial win. That I lost more than I did on that one, but whatever. Okay, so 7, 0, 16, 19, 25, 28, 27, 24, 35. Okay, I think I got them all.
Apostação cerrada, não se aposta mais, obrigado, muita sorte a todos
So this is
vocês.
one. This is a 24% chance of winning. I like on this website they tell you what your percentage of winning is. So it's just a 24%, but if you play it long enough, you will eventually pick up a win. 36. Oh, I didn't cover 36. Oh well.
É assim.
Okay, so let's try that again. Let's go. More 16, 19, 24, 25, 26. Let's split that, and let's do 23. Michael Jordan. And oh, I wanted to do 6-9 as well, but whatever. Couldn't have done that.
Não se aposta mais, obrigado, muita boa sorte. Se a culpa dela, minha esposa.
Come on, let's get a win here. Come on, let's get a Michael Jordan, 23. 11. Oh, that's another loss.
Boa tarde, boa tarde, boa tarde, muita boa sorte, player 499.
Okay.
Trabalho parou no 11 preto.
Let's try that one more time. Okay, this time I'm going to go heavy. And 17, I also like to cover 17. Okay, and 6 and 9. Oh, I didn't have time to do that.
Apostação cerrada, não se aposta mais. Obrigado, muita boa sorte, galera.
So this is a $14 bet.
Obrigado, obrigado e para você, boa sorte. Muita boa noite.
And that's an 8.
Nossa
Oh,
beleza,
another
bolinha
loss.
parou no 8 preto.
Okay, so let's try that one more time, guys, and I'm going to call it if I don't make it on this one. And I'm trying to do hot and cold here.
Ainda para todas vocês, obrigado, boa sorte, galera.
Okay. Okay, so there you go. This is the last time, $22 bet. If I don't make it on this, I'm going to stop the video. I think either way I'll stop, even if I win or lose. So this is it. It all comes down to this. Hot and cold number strategy. Let's do it. Let's get a hit. $33. Oh, did not cover that, but I get like $2, I think, or what did I get? $6 in. All right, so let's try one more time. Hot, cold, always cover the 0. I like the 0. And 6 and 9. So let's try that one more time. This is why I don't play the inside numbers that much, because it is a huge risk, but it's the most fun. There's no doubt about it. Playing inside numbers is more fun than the snakes and ladders, but snakes and ladders is just a lot smarter. But let's see, 22. No, it did not cover it. I guess I'll go down to 100. I'll still have $100 in profit. So let's try that one last time, and let's go 0, and then for another 50 cents. Let's go there. Okay, so this is it.
Não, Vanessa, não estou com sono. Apostação cerrada, não se aposta mais. Obrigado, muita sorte, galera. Não, mas não estou com sono. Obrigado, Laika.
Come on, let's pick up a win here. 33 did not cover that. Okay, guys, I'm at my stop loss. Unfortunately, I lost. What did I lose? I think I lost like $63. But I'm still up $100 in profit. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this loss. And thanks, guys, for watching.